Hey, good morning. It's Aquiles from Larrea Wealth Management with your morning comment. Brought to you by Starbucks. Just kidding. Well, anyway, we had some interesting things happening in the chip sector today. Starting to see all those companies at broad-based rally occurring in the chip, led by Nvidia. You're seeing a couple of other unknown companies that are leading a rally as well within that sector. Now, here's the thing. Okay, let's step back a moment. Last year, the big thing was AI. Is it going to continue to be the story? I think for the near term, absolutely. At least for the next 2 quarters, unless something catastrophic occurs, forget that. It's going to continue to be the story, and it's going to continue to be a driver for growth going forward. Now, here's the thing. Not in just the tech area, we are seeing fundamentals looking good. All right, we have earnings upcoming. Find out what happened in the fourth quarter of 25. So that's going to be a telltale sign. We also have non-farm payrolls coming up, projected to be about 57,000 or so. I think I talked about this yesterday, so let's move on from that. The next thing I would keep in mind is, if you're looking to fixed income right now, you're going to get your return. Should be part of any portfolio, but it's going to be really boring. All right? You're not going to see. There might be some price appreciation on the bonds. Oh yeah, forgot. Bonds actually do go up in price. It happens. All right, so let's just say $1,000 bond, might go up $10. It might go up $20, depending on the bond. And so the other thing that I wanted to mention is, if we're looking at overall valuations in the market right now, right? Are we fairly valued? Are we out of whack? And the simple answer is depends about what we're talking about. The same thing occurred during the dot-com boom years, where how do you put a price on the future? And it's a juggling game. So you want to keep in mind, yes, I know that AI is going to take over certain aspects. I will give you a case in point. You have this technology in AI that answers your phone. They sound like a human. They answer questions. They put clients on your calendar. They put prospects on your calendar. It's like having the real thing, believe it or not. I saw this firsthand. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to replace all the humans, but you know what? It allows a business that is emerging, i.e. small, to make more money and leverage, and that's the important part, to leverage their resources in a more constructive manner than just paying out every single month or what have you, pay period, for services that are hit and miss. With the AI, it's a consistent experience. Plus, like the Terminator, it's a learning computer and it will continually learn. So that's another thing. I thought it was kind of interesting that this kind of came into focus just on that small micro level. Now, the question now becomes, well, that was just phone answering. Where else is AI going to sink its hands into? And the question now comes back to me is, okay, Achilles, where are we going to make money on this? And there's so many places to do that, So, even your brick and mortar type regular businesses are going to be using this type of technology. And if it becomes that widespread, you're going to make some money. But you have to know, you really have to be strategic. You really have to know what you're doing and get together with your advisor and have a chat with this. By the way, Larrea Wealth, a lot of people ask me, hey, who are the best type of clients for us? We work well with people who are retired. People who are retiring, usually 3 months before they retire, they get in touch with us. I had a gentleman that said he didn't want to deal with the management of his money and wanted to trust somebody to do so. And through a recommendation, he came to us and asked us flat out, hey, what do we have to do to become a client? Lovely. All right. And we're helping him out right now. The second persons who we feel are a great fit, or if you lost your job, you downsized. Are you going to leave your portfolio with the same company that let you go? Why would you do that? It makes no sense to me. Take control. Get together with a good advisor like ourselves to help you in this aspect. And the last thing, like I mentioned that gentleman the other day saying, you know, I don't want to handle my money in retirement. And I didn't disagree. You were not put on this earth to handle your money. A competent professional, we step in, we are your advocate. We go into your corner. And this is not just stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This is beyond that, where we are helping you with and giving counsel on different aspects of your life. Now, if you qualify, get on my calendar, and I look forward to talking to you. So much great stuff happening right now. If you're not taking advantage of it right now, you are going to kick yourself for years to come. Have a wonderful day, guys. Take care.